How to transfer money from Cash App to Varo. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to link your Varo bank account to Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application. This brings you to the main homepage, the central screen where you can view your balance and navigate your account preferences. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to enter the profile section. This is the area where you can manage your cash tag, personal details, and security features. After that, scroll down the page to the Account and Settings category and tap Linked Banks to view, edit, or add your connected debit cards and bank accounts. On the Linked Banks page, tap Link New Debit Card. When the options pop up at the bottom, select Link New Debit Card again to proceed to the card details entry screen. On the Add a Bank using your debit card screen, if you don't have a physical debit card on hand or prefer to link a checking account directly, tap No Card at the bottom to switch to bank linking. On this page, you are on the Link Your Bank Account screen. Here, you will see how Cash App uses Plaid, a secure service that bridges your bank and Cash App to transfer funds, check balances, and prevent fraud without sharing your credentials. Review the details and tap Continue. Now we are on the Select Your Institution screen. Here, you can locate Varo Bank right at the top of the list of featured banks, or use the search bar at the top to type in Varo and select it. On this page, you are on the Authenticate with Varo Bank screen. Cash App outlines the 3 steps to link your account: opening the portal, logging in, and returning to the app. Tap Continue to proceed. Finally, on this page, you are on the official Varo login portal. Enter your email address or phone number along with your password. Then tap Login to authorize and complete the connection. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from Cash App to Varo.